shoot. So we're in Mazatlan, but we're actually not at Mazatlan yet. We're delayed. And I was looking for a deck that will take me out to the front of the ship, but I don't think this is the right deck. Oh, here we go. Maybe this. Ooh, here we go. This is what I was looking for. There's always these secret decks. I've talked about this in the past. So like I was saying, I've mentioned this in other cruise videos. A lot of times these passenger cabin decks will have forward balcony, like open terraces, like you can see behind me. A lot of people don't even realize how to get there or how to find them. But usually if you go one deck above, two decks above the bridge, like I was saying, one or two decks above the bridge is right below us. This is the wing, and usually one or two decks above the bridge, you'll find a nice deck, and there's usually not that many people here. As you probably noticed, we don't have a balcony cabin on this cruise. We have a window, and it's in the very back of the ship. Even when we have balcony cabins, I still like to come out here because it's always like such a perfect vantage point. It's like one of my favorite vantage points on the ship. So quick little update. We are basically arriving into Mazatlan, but we are delayed because of fog. Now the captain has come on and said that the port is closed, which I'm not believing that because the Discovery Princess was in front of us and they just docked. So we should be good. We should be good to go. Hey,
okay.
You guys.
Okay, here, Ethan.
Can I just do a quick little update here?
Okay, you give me the cash straight too. Ethan, stop.
Seriously, you guys? Alright, so you may have heard the update from Christian. We arrived in Mazatlan, but we're arriving late. We actually haven't touched the port yet, the pier. We're just about to touch.
No, the pier is what happened.
So we arrived 2 hours late, but they're extending our back on board time by an hour and a half, so that's nice. So we actually we're only losing about a half an hour. So we should be able to get off the boat here in about the next half hour. If you saw the time lapse that I posted, as you come into Mazatlan, on the right is Stone Island. Stone Island is always a cool little spot to go to. If you're looking for a last minute option, you can take a water taxi. It's $2 per person from the port.
That's so cheap. No, it's not.
From the port over to Stone Island, and there's a bunch of bars and restaurants over there. They'll try to sell you like an all-inclusive option for $40 a person or so, but so like I was saying, you can do a water taxi for $2 a person over Stone Island, or they'll try to sell you like an all-inclusive option, which is $40. You get all open bar, you get to do water activities like a banana boat and whatnot. But the only problem with that is if you get the wrong bar, it's gonna be plastic bottle liquor, and I would suggest that you just take the water taxi over there for $2 a person and look for a busy spot. A busy place is always gonna be a good indication that's a good spot.
Do you say there's banana boats?
Yeah. You can ride a banana boat. You want to ride a banana boat?
I want to ride a banana boat. I've been on one of those before. Remember? In the ocean?
Yeah. You were scared. I have a feeling that you say you're going to want to ride it, and then we'll go, and you're going to chicken out.
But there's...
You're going to go if we go?
Yeah.
Yeah. You sure? There's no sharks here.
I'm just scared how fast it goes because you can fall off really easily. Yeah.
So,
but you can go
anyways,
so
we're in Mazatlán.
Because that's where the sharks.
In the link below on the Alex and Erika website, I'll give you a whole rundown of information about what you could do in Mazatlán if you come here on a cruise. up, dude? Good to see you. It was crazy. It was Aiden and Ethan.
And Ethan.
Remember?
Here.
This is Bob. This is Regina. Yeah, Regina and Cole.
Okay.
But yeah, it took like an hour to get the tram, like 40 minutes just to get a tram from the ship to here. They don't let you walk.
They change the schedule, right? 6:30?
Yeah, we have an hour and a half more.
Yeah. Oh, are you ready, right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, they wanted to get some papitas, or do you want?
I get something.
You got papitas?
No.
Yeah? Or
No, it's not.
they'll get papitas and then
You
we got.
want there?
We have a beer. Do you have beer, right?
I got a Pacifico,
Yeah.
red stand, water.
Erica, he has water and frescas. He has beer, water, and frescas. They just want. They love those sobritas, you know.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
It's a pleasure to see you again.
Yeah, man. Good to see you. It was a bummer last time because we had to do. We had to do a bubble tour because we had the baby with us.
Yeah.
And so we just quickly saw each other in passing here.
You know what kind of tour is the bubble tour, right?
Yeah, it's a boring tour. There's nothing. And the bubble tour is like there's no bubble. They took us to the regular hotel
and live there with the people. You know what I mean?
with everybody else.
Jeez.
There's no bubble. It's just for them to make some money.
It's only business.
Yeah. All right, so we finally got off the ship and we're here in Mazatlan. We made our first stop.
That's cute, right?
Here along the boardwalk. It's beautiful. And we're with our favorite tour guide, Julian.
Okay, get in here. Strap one, Get it from this angle.
That's a cool Mini Cooper back there.
Yeah. Did you work out?
So like I was saying, we are making our first couple stops here in Mazatlan.
That's the thing.
The smell?
Right? Smell that?
Yeah. I don't know the name of the street, but it's a pretty street that we're walking down here in Mazatlan.
And I had my own backpack, but I mean my own sleeping bag. But I think it's from that side. Yeah. Yeah, it was good.
So right here, this is a super cool spot for a photo. Right there.
It's a little wow. Calor.
It's nice though, it's perfect. Not too hot,
Exacto, señor.
not too cold. You guys want that? You guys having fun?
But I can own all that stuff now.
Ethan, you having fun?
Right.
What are you guys thinking? You having fun?
Yeah, literally iron.
We're walking around the main square here. Kids are dying to go back to the boat. We told them they have to experience some culture, have some fun. We've stopped here at one of the famous churches, which is a beautiful church right behind us. The church is closed. It closed at 1. It doesn't reopen until 5, so unfortunately we can't go inside there.
Hey guys. Oh wow, that's cool.
Wow, look at that, man.
What was that, the birds? What did you say, Shimon?
I don't know, man.
They open with an eye.
So this is the part with each?
Yeah.
No, this part right
No,
here?
inside. No, in the middle.
Inside. How's it looking over here, guys?
Oh, look. We love it.
Shut-ups.
Nice. Beautiful.
¿Estos son para la diabla o para cómo?
It's all good. I don't even... Maybe.
style. Want some? Have some.
The scallop, it was pretty good.
She just finished playing.
¿Cómo se llama este?
Mariscos al Parguito.
Mariscos al Parito?
Mariscos al Parguito Seafood, Mazatlán, Sinaloa. Aquí los esperamos.
Perfecto, and it's cerca de la crucero. So we just finished our tacos. How was the tacos, guys?
Oh, no, you didn't.
Yeah, we gotta go back this way, Anna.
Oh, can you hold this one?
We just arrived at Las Flores Hotel. This is our last stop for the day. We've got a couple hours till we need to be back on the ship, so we're gonna hang out here, have a couple tequilas, and go in the pool. Maybe jump in the ocean. Look at this beautiful spot we're at. Look at that, huh? Beautiful Mazatlan. Don't. We are just finishing up here at Las Flores, and we are about to head back to the cruise ship. We had a great time. Like, I would say this is like a 3-star hotel, right? It's not the nicest place. It's not the worst place. But if you're looking for a place to just come use the pool, the facilities, have access to the beach, which is pretty nice. All they ask is that you buy a couple drinks. And we definitely bought a few drinks, so we're ready to go back to the ship. That's the tequila dog right there. What are you saying? What are you saying?
Gracias.
Gracias por todo.
No, you know.
Thank you.
I hope to see you again.
Oh, we will. We'll see you in the next year or so.
Perfecto.
Okay.
Bring Narciso.
Yeah, we will.
Pinche Narciso no se quiere vacunar, el
No.
Daddy,
What?
when we get to the house, can you give me some points? Like
Maybe,
a little
let's see.
bit for this sticky basket? I don't want to take the one that has it. I want them
Okay. Welcome back.
Okay. I want to stay at the end.
Right here? Is that okay? That's cool. Look at that. Yeah. Did you have fun today?
We have to be moving right now. The princess is leaving, and we're moving.
We're leaving after Princess. Oh, yeah, no, go ahead. You guys want a photo? Well, the Princess cruise ship is leaving right now. Everybody's having a good time, enjoying the last few minutes before we leave Mazatlan. and we have dinner reservations at Gigi's Kitchen.
This
You're
cotton
excited?
candy.
I don't think it's cotton candy.
Mom, can I?
You guys excited?
I'm excited.
Can I see pictures of Emma?
Bottle of steel or regular ice water?
Just regular ice
Yeah.
water, and then you want a drink?
I want to drink something, but let me drink at the...
Check the menu, and when you're done, can I have your phone, please? And here's my Ada's gonna do phone to the phone.
It looks so good. Oh, wait, here. Don't get up. We just finished Gigi's Asian specialty dining.
Perfect.
Oh, it was so good. That was like, I don't know why we've missed it. So many cruises. We've probably been on 3-4 cruises since that Asian cuisine option has been available. Oh shit, he just fell there. Okay, so we just went to Gigi's. It was so good. So good. Like one of the best specialty restaurants we've been to on any cruise line, any cruise ship. 15 bucks an adult. Dude, so much food, so much flavor. We were ready to go to the casino, drop the kids off at the kids club. We're just gonna go relax.
No, I wanna go play on my phone.
Okay, take off your mask and get up in the bed. Aiden, you gotta go up there. Nothing. We're all going to sleep.
We're all
Come.
going to be night-night.
Come on. We have Cabo. We're getting up in Cabo. I don't care. Go up there. It's bedtime.
When
You're falling asleep in the elevator.
Yeah, you
Like, this guy just fell asleep in the elevator. Like, we looked around and he was sleeping in the corner of the elevator. I should have taken video of it.
in there.
So anyways, we had a fantastic day in Mazatlan today. Julian, our tour guide who we've known for a few years, is the best. If you go to Mazatlan, he is your guy. He will take care of you. Oh, we had such a great time. Great food,
company.
great company. Hung out with Cole, who happens to be one of the comedians on the ship. Regina, who we just met like 2 nights ago. And then this guy named Bob. Super nice. We had a great time. So today was a great day. But we have a short day in Cabo tomorrow. Tomorrow, Cabo is only 6:30 to 2. Shh. Tomorrow we go to Cabo, and we're only there till 6:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon, which really, really is a bummer. But we're gonna go to bed so we can wake up fresh tomorrow. Oh my goodness, I just realized I have a lo mein noodle on my finger from the Asian place. Okay, we're gonna go to bed. We're tired. We'll see you in the morning.